Donald Trump signed an executive order that cut off all US funding to South Africa due to the land grabs, the land expropriation bill, and offered refugee status to Afrikaners to escape government-sponsored race-based discrimination. President Ramaphosa and our new DA Agriculture Minister, John Steenhuisen, initially rushed to placate Trump and his co-president, Elon Musk, that's white genocide, and land expropriation was not happening. Steenhuisen had to do some fancy footwork, aka pantsula, between speaking for the government as part of the GNU while disagreeing because of DA party ideology.
There is no land being expropriated on a mass scale from anybody in South Africa without compensation. That's not to say that the Expropriation Act is not harmful, and that is why it is being challenged legally by the DA. But we have to make sure that we safeguard our agriculture sector and our agriculture jobs. If commercial farmers and small-scale farmers lose the opportunity to get goods into the United States of America, we're losing access to one of our big markets.
Not only is most of SA mad at AfriForum, this situation threatens the AGOA, the treaty to sell agricultural produce to America. So now Agri-SA are mad at them too.
Our government is very good to us. They actually just fixed our road there on the gravel road, and they're building RTP houses for the people, and that actually boosts our business, because now there's going to be more people buying chickens from us and eggs and also pig meat and so on. I think they should stop spreading lies and propaganda. There's crime in every country.
Thank you, Jan Piet.